It's chess against Martin, but Martin fires a cannon every move. I'm actually changing it a little bit to make it more difficult on myself. He fires a cannon every move, and if the cannonball lands on one of my pieces, they explode and are gone. Of course, Martin's pieces have cannonball-proof armor, so they are unaffected. This is going to be the cannon over here, just to give you an example. We're going to spin that. I've added every single square on the board here. And so you can see B2 was selected. And so that's how we'll determine where the cannon ball lands. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. All right, good luck, Martin. I'm going to play E4. He's going to make his move, and then he's going to fire the cannon. Here we go. Where's it going to land? Hopefully not E1. All right, G. That looks like a safe square. G5 was selected. Okay, not worried about that. Let's keep going. I'm going to capture this. Martin's going to play his move and fire the cannon. He's playing the Scandinavian here. Interesting. Okay. Oh, A1. Martin snipes my rook just like that. Okay. All right, so what I'm going to do here is go ahead and manually remove this and then restart the game against Martin. Well, that was interesting. There goes my rook. All right, well, let's just carry on. That's not going to bother me too much. I'm going to play knight to c3. Martin moves. Ooh. And he fires the cannon again. All right, what do we got this time? It's going to be... Ooh, that was really close to being f1. That was super close to being f1. But it's e8, and lucky for him, his king is wearing some armor, so he's fine. He's fine. And it's my turn. So thank you, Martin, for the queen. All right, he takes it back, and he fires another cannonball. And it's going to land on... No. Okay, b2. Whew. Oh, I didn't have the knight anyway. I was thinking b1, but yeah, it's fine. All right, so b2. So we're going to lose a pawn. Not a big deal. Okay, we're back. The pawn is gone. Let's continue. I'm going to play... I guess I'll play knight to f3. Seems like a safe move. Martin moves and fires the cannon. And it's going to land on... 8? Okay. I'm not concerned with that. Let's keep going. Let's go for a check. Let's see what Martin's going to do about this. Okay, nice move. And he fires his cannon yet again. And... Oh! That was too close. That was too close for comfort. Barely misses my queen. Barely misses my king. All right, my turn again. I'm going to go ahead and castle. I feel like I need to get my king out of there. Martin develops. Did it say castles is a blunder? Oh, my bishop was hanging. Guys, I'm a little bit distracted by the cannonballs, to be completely honest with you. But he didn't take advantage of it. He didn't take it. He does fire the cannon, though. And it's... So close to f1. Almost lost the other rook. But near miss. It's e8. He's fine because his king is, you know, wearing the armor. All right, let's take the bishop. He takes me back. He fires another cannon. What do we have? What do we have? What do we have? It's... Oh, I thought that said d1. I thought it landed on d1. No, it's c8. It's c8. All right, that was close. That was too close, actually. Let's bring out my bishop. Okay, he pushes the pawn, and he shoots the cannon. Where's it going? Where's it going? Where's it going? That looks safe. Yeah, a7. Not worried about that at all. Okay, let's bring my rook to the center here, lining up on the king. He plays h6, and he shoots the cannon yet again. Dun, dun, dun. Ooh. h2. Okay, so he does connect. It's only with a pawn, but it's close to my king. So h2 is gone. h2 pawn is gone. I'm not super concerned, but I do think I need to start going on the offensive here before I lose any more pieces. So I am going to bring... How am I going to do this, actually? Let's bring my knight up, I guess. We'll bring the knight to e5. Okay, he plays a5. He shoots another cannon. Where's it going to land? Where's it going to land? It's going... That looks... a2. All right. So this pawn is now gone. Okay, what I'm going to do is play queen to f3. I'm lining up on this guy. He stops it. Nice move by Martin. And in addition, we have the cannonball, which is going to land on... Ooh, c1. Close, but he misses. Okay, so C1 was fine. All right. I can actually get away with taking this because I have the follow-up capture here with my queen. Assuming my queen doesn't get taken out by a random cannonball. No, we're good. We're good. It's going to be A5. All right, not worried about A5. Okay, so here we go. Queen's coming in. Feeling pretty good. All right, he plays rook to D8, and he shoots the cannon again. And it's going to be A5. We're safe. We are safe. All right, I'm going to take this. I'm going to take this with check. He moves. Shoots the cannon. And what do we have? What do we have? E5. Okay, it was close, but he misses my bishop. All right. This is pinned. I think we can either just come here and take it, or we can loop over here and try to come down for the checkmate. Let's do this. Let's go here and come down this way. Okay, so he moves the rook. We have mate in 1, but he does fire the cannon. So let's see. Is this going to affect the game at all? F. Nope, doesn't look like it. F. Oh, F4. All right, so my bishop is gone. So let me go ahead and remove that. But I do have checkmate. Now, he's going to get one more chance here. I'm going to give him a chance. I'm going to give him a chance to fire the cannon. Even though the game is over, this is checkmate. I'm going to give him one chance. All right, Martin, here you go. His cannonball needs to hit the queen or the rook, or Martin loses, I'm afraid. So here we go. Ready, and... Nope. 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 C3. I'm afraid that's not good enough, Martin. Well, better luck next time, my friend, but your cannonball was off today. It really was. All right. That was fun. I might have to do this again. Maybe I'll flip it, and maybe I'll play Stockfish, and I'll have the cannon. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this one. Thanks for the suggestion. That was a lot of fun, and I will see you next time. Stay sharp, play smart, and take care.